Today I'm going to do a small test of the Esbit pocket stove. I got it on Amazon for like 10 bucks or 8 bucks, and I'll put a link to it down in the description below. So here's the box. I've had it for a couple months now. It is February 2012. I've had it since like August 2011, and I've only used it twice during a camp out for heating up some hot chocolate. And here, I'll show you what comes in the box. This doesn't come in the box. I added it. It's aluminum foil. It comes with 6 fuel tablets. Here's what they look like. And then the stove's in there. And it's nice because it's pretty small. Here. If you open it, it has 2 settings. I don't know if it's like high and low or whatever, and it's open like that, and then you can extend it all the way out like so, and have 2 more fuel tablets in there and some matches, and that's what the stove looks like. It's pretty small. I mean, there it is in my hand, so you can get a kind of comparison to it. It says it'll boil a pint of water, which is 2 cups, in less than 8 minutes. And it is right here. 1 cube will bring 1 pint of water to a rolling boil in less than 8 minutes. So I'm going to test that today. I'm not sure if you can see that. It won't focus. But, so yeah, it says 1 tablet will boil it in less than 8 minutes. So I got my 2 cups of water, my pint. I'm gonna put it on top, and this thing's too small, so I'm gonna have to put it in that other setting, the stove that is, in this setting or whatever. And yeah, there we go. Now it holds it, as you can see. Alright, so what I do with the aluminum foil is I like to put it on the bottom so it doesn't stain the stove itself, and that way it doesn't get residue on it and everything. So here, hold on. Alright, so what I do is get a little square of aluminum foil and then just line the bottom of the stove, just so it's easier to clean up, and I can just pull this off and the stove will be just fine. Alright, there's like a 5-mile-an-hour breeze. It's not that bad, so I don't think it should affect it that much. So I'm trying to open the fuel tablet right now with my nail. Alright, so here it is. It does smell kind of fishy. Put it in the middle. Now I'm gonna get a match. These are supposed to be waterproof matches, but they don't work if I mean, you can get the head of it wet and it'll still work, but if you get the wooden part wet, it won't light anymore. So they're like water resistant, not waterproof. So I'm gonna light it. Alright, light that cube up. Now it's lit. I don't think you can see the flame in there, but it's burning alright. Alright, now I'm gonna let that kind of get all burn all over. And I'm gonna put my my water in there. I'll start my stopwatch at 0. Here it goes. I'm gonna put the water on top, and I'm gonna start my stopwatch. As you can see, it's going now. So we'll see how long it takes to boil. Alright, so we're 9 minutes, 58 seconds, about to be 10 minutes. And it's not at a rolling boil like it said in the box, but it is pretty hot. You can see some steams coming off of the cup. And our fuel tablet is almost completely gone. It's still burning, but it's almost gone. So, I mean, you can get your water pretty hot. This was actually used back in World War II in the foxholes and everything. So, it's been around for a while. It's pretty simple. I bought it because of its simplicity. And I think that it's worth the deal. I mean, worth the price. I mean, for the thing it is, for a little stove it is. I would recommend it to a friend now that it's done burning. Oh, and then another thing about these tablets is that you can put them out and then reuse them later. If I can get this open. Now you just pull the aluminum foil out, and look at that. It's stained a little bit, but not as bad as aluminum foil is. So yeah, that's a neat little trick you can use whenever you get one, or if you get one. Alright, thanks for watching.